how to turn on or off night light in your Windows PC. And okay guys, here in your Windows, okay, go to Start menu on the lower left side on your screen. And you can see here the settings. Okay, go to this. Here in Windows settings, go to System. Here in System settings, in Display, you can see here the color section. So you can see here the night light. And the night light is off. So if you want to turn on the night light, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button. And that's it, okay, you have successfully turned on. And if you want to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button. And I decide to turn on the night light of my Windows PC. And okay guys, that's it, we have successfully turned on or off night light in Windows PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.